Hey everybody, so alright, here I am. I got my airbrush, the single action. I still can't get the other one to spray paint out. Um, but yeah, so this is how I've been doing it. I read all your comments, so I'm just going to keep at it. You all know better than me, so alright, so here we go. I actually think with that coat, it started looking a bit better. Alright, I'm going to wait a few minutes and give it a little more. Okay, well, it's had some time to dry. Yeah, it seems that if I would have waited and did one more shot on this, granted it's not fantastic yet, but I would have seen the difference. It was on one spray made over those other coats. So, yeah, let's give these two things another blast. I almost wonder if I should have this set to spray more. Only being about 6 inches away from it when I'm spraying. So yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, from what I saw and understand, that's pretty well a good distance. Oh, not bad. Not bad. All right. So I'm going to give them some more time to dry, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back again. I'm thinking this might do it. This might be the last coat. Now I know when I do the body, which will be very soon. Yeah, be a little more patient. Definitely not like a spray can. All right, here we go. What I forgot to do, which I probably should have did, I might like the spray can should blow the line out first. I believe I was already taught that in one of the lessons that I've watched. Yeah, what do you think? Can you see it? Probably not. It's a little dark. Let me bump on the camera light that I always forget to turn on. Okay, we got the light now, so maybe you can see it. Maybe not. So yeah, pretty. I figure which way to move. Pretty good coverage, I think. Yep, this is gonna need one more. It's gotta. Yeah, definitely one more. Wow, I'm actually kind of excited now. I wish the other brush was working. I don't know. I don't know if you can buy just a nozzle. I think I'm gonna have to get another nozzle for some reason it's not. Paint's not coming through. Yeah. So they don't have anything, any idea what I'm talking about. So obviously, so these are going to need one more. One more, I think. Still a little shade of black coming through here and there. So I'll definitely think one more coat will do it. And I'm not sure how this is going to react with the gloss. I don't have gloss for the airbrush yet. So once this front bumper is done, I'm going to gloss it, just to make sure it doesn't have the Testors Rust-Oleum battle that I had on the 37 pickup. So I just want to make sure it's not going to do something funky after I spray it. So anyway, that's the story on that. All right, let this dry. I'll be right back. There we go. Give this some more paint. This time I'll remember to blow my line out. Not really sure how strong I should have this set. The nozzle itself. I did just crank it up just a tad. The amount of paint that's coming through. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. I'm happy about that. Pretty darn excited about that. Alright. Yeah, that guy's done. That's kind of awesome. I was a little frustrated the other day. How about I can get my other airbrush to work. The other airbrush is the one I practiced one with, the one that, you know, has the adjustable trigger. You go just whatever. You know what I'm talking about. I don't know what you call it. Alright. So here we go. Possibly the last one on the bumper. Oops. I don't want to drop it. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. All right, these guys, well, this guy's going to stay down and dry. Get a bit harder because I'm going to do the gloss over it. See what happens with that. The firewall is going to go, give it a little bit of time to dry, and then it's going to go upstairs with me. I'm going to clean my brush, store all the paint that I've mixed, and I will see you upstairs.